Here is my fun surprise pop-up card using the Beautiful Balloons bundle that is part of the Bright and Beautiful suite, which includes some fun, brightly colored 6x6 designer series paper, as well as some 12x12 clear acetate. Here I've cut it down, but you have 3 designs, this confetti design, polka dot design, and then another confetti design. So I'm gonna start by stamping the balloons. The large balloon is in Berry Burst. And then there's this fun confetti in the shape of the balloon that we can stamp over top. And now I'm gonna just stamp the same confetti on my solid balloons that are gonna go inside. Now I'm gonna do the lemon lime twist on lemon lime twist. And now I'm gonna do some azure on the little azure balloon and stamp the happy birthday sentiment that we can cut out. And I'm also going to stamp the small lemon lime twist balloon. Okay, I've cut out the balloons and the sentiment. For the sentiment, I used the Stylish Shapes dies, and I cut one end of the happy birthday, and then I ran it through a second time, cutting the other half of the happy birthday so that I could shorten it. Now I'm going to stamp "Let's Get Our Celebration On." Okay, so now I'm going to put the large balloon in the middle and just put a little bit of adhesive on the smaller balloon and put it to the side. All right, next I'm just gonna stamp some of this fun little confetti all around the piece of basic white that I'm going to fit inside. This piece is 4 by 3 3/4. Okay, so now we come to the card base. This is a regular 4 1/4 by 11, and I've scored it at 1 1/2 and 5 1/2. So 1 1/2 is going to be the top of our card here. And then this piece is also 4 1/4, but this is a 7 1/2. And then you're gonna score it at 1/2. And then you're gonna score it at 1 1/2 from each side. And then I have some of the Bright and Beautiful designer series paper. I really like the watercolor wash azure piece. So I'm gonna put this as the background for the inside of my pop out. And this piece is 4 inches wide by 3 3/4 inches tall. And then I'm going to put some adhesive on the inside of this flap. And I'm going to attach one of these flaps. Okay. And then the second flap you can attach just by folding it flat. So before we do that, I'm going to add our happy birthday and some of the balloons that we stamped on with dimensionals. So there's our little happy birthday that's gonna be inside here. So now I can put some adhesive on this end. Really easy to make this card, really easy measurements. And I'm just gonna tuck that under and fold it flat so that it can be folded flat that way or this way. Now I'm gonna add the basic white stamped piece down at the bottom. And then just for fun, we can add some more balloons along the edge here. You can do whatever you want, but I'm just going to add them right there. And now we're ready to decorate the front of the card. And I've cut 2 pieces of this paper. So this is 4 by 3 1/4, and this is 4 by 1 1/4 to decorate the front of the card. And now I can add my circle. And then around the bottom, I tied some of this white organdy ribbon, glitter ribbon, that is now available in the online store. So it's still available. And there is my fun surprise pop-up card.